Namaste, good morning. So today's posture is warrior 2 and triangle posture. We're going to try to go to warrior 2 to triangle postures. In Sanskrit it's called Virabhadrasana 2 or Trikonasana. So we're going to come to downward dog. Stretch your legs, and when you're ready, lift your right leg up toward the ceiling. Kick with your right foot, bring your right foot between your hands. Bring your left heel on the floor. Inhale, arms up, and you go to the warrior 2. So now you have to make a couple of adjustments. Make sure your right knee and heel are in line. Your left foot is turned 45-degree angle. Your hips are open. Your knees should not go over the heel. Arms are open in the side. And you are looking at your right hand. So we are trying the warrior 2 on the right side. Hold for a couple of breaths. And we can now reverse the warrior 2. You're going to turn your right palm toward the ceiling. Left palm on the left leg. Take an inhale and take your right arm up toward the ceiling and slide your left palm on the left leg. Make sure your right leg is bent, because you will see automatically it's going to start skating like this. So we're not going to do that. So make sure your right leg is bent 90 degrees. Your knees should not go over the heel. Hold it here for a couple of breaths. Get the nice step in the right side. And when you're ready, you're slowly coming back. From here, we're going to try to go to triangle. So you're going to straighten your right leg. Take a deep inhale. Your arms are straight. Your legs are straight. Now you are sending your left hip to the left side. So create a nice triangle in the right side. So nice as a triangle you have, deeper the triangle you have, deeper you can go in the stretch. So look at your right hand. Take a deep inhale, exhale. Use your arms as wings and bring your right arm toward the floor, left arm toward the ceiling. So you might be here, 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 or you can bring your right hand on the floor. Either you can look at your right foot or the left arm. Breathe, both are fine. You can always use a block, so you can rest your right hand on the block. Make sure you don't fold forward like this. So open your chest, open your hips, breathe. And when you're ready, make sure you're coming out from the posture very, very slow. Take your time. Very nice. Bend the front leg. And now inhale, arms up toward the ceiling. Exhale, hands on the floor. Right foot back to plank. You can do the push-up. Down. And the knees on the floor. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaste.